What are the experts predicting for the 2024 housing market? Hi, I'm Daniela Duta with Comstock Realty. Here are some anticipated trends and developments we can expect to see in the upcoming year. Many experts predict that home prices will continue to rise in 2024, but at a slightly slower pace compared to previous years. According to National Association of Realtors Chief Economist Lawrence Yan, home prices are expected to increase by around 3-4% in 2024. Inventory levels are likely to remain below what we as agent deem a balanced market, but should be at the higher level than in 2023. All eyes will remain on mortgage rates as we have seen the gradual increase over 2023. Forecasters are predicting interest rates to see a slight decline. Buyers will have more financial flexibility to purchase homes at higher price, and this could generate more housing demand. Sellers will also be in a better position to list their homes and find a replacement property. As always, there are predictions and the real estate market continues to be volatile. If you'd like to know more about what's happening in your local area with pricing, demand, and inventory, please reach out to me so I can help, assist, and guide you through this ever-changing market. I'm Daniela Duta, and when you do what you love, people love what you do. Give me a jingle.